Hi, how are you doing? Welcome to a reality check. In this video, I will be explaining the concept of multiplicity proposed by French philosopher Henri Bergson. Many philosophers think that this concept is revolutionary despite its difficulty. Qualitative multiplicity consists in a temporal heterogeneity, in which several conscious states are organized into a whole, permeate one another, and gradually gain a richer content. The word several is inappropriate to qualitative multiplicity because it suggests numbering. The idea of qualitative multiplicities is difficult to understand, although it is the heart of Bergson's thinking. Normally, we would think that if there is heterogeneity, there has to be juxtaposition. But, in qualitative multiplicities, there is heterogeneity and no juxtaposition. Qualitative multiplicities are temporal, they define the duration. For example, the feelings are continuous with one another, they interpenetrate one another. A qualitative multiplicity is heterogeneous, continuous, oppositional at the extremes, and progressive. Because a qualitative multiplicity is heterogeneous and yet interpenetrating, it cannot be adequately represented by a symbol. Indeed, for Bergson, a qualitative multiplicity is inexpressible. Bergson's concept of multiplicity attempts to unify in a consistent way two contradictory features, heterogeneity and duration. Duration, for Bergson, is continuity of progress and heterogeneity. Moreover, thanks to this image, we can also see that duration implies a conservation of the past. Quantitative multiplicity enumerates things or states of consciousness by means of externalizing one from another in a homogeneous space. In Time and Free Will, Bergson provides examples of a quantitative multiplicity. The example of a flock of sheep is perhaps the easiest to grasp. When we look at a flock of sheep, what we notice is that they all look alike. We sense no qualitative change as we move from one to another. We can also enumerate the sheep. We are able to do so because each sheep is spatially separated or juxtaposed to the others. Therefore, quantitative multiplicities are homogeneous and spatial. Because a quantitative multiplicity is homogeneous, we can represent it with a symbol, for instance, a sum, 25. Thank you for watching. This was a reality check. See you in my next video.